Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm definitely a carnivore, and when it comes to beef, my preferred cut is filet mignon. During the summertime, we fire up the barbecue and grill them beautifully. Now, when the season is over, I cook the fillets on the stove and finish them in the oven with a nice aromatic butter. Let's see how it's done when grilling them inside. In today's episode, I'll show you how to cook filet mignon perfectly. It's a little technical, but these important steps will help to flawlessly achieve the perfect grilled filet mignon, just like when you go to a steakhouse. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, after letting our fillets sit for 30 to 40 minutes so they get to room temperature, we'll pat them dry using paper towels. This will remove any moisture and will help to get that beautiful outside crust. Next, we'll season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And we'll do that on all sides. Where you see meat, you're seasoned. Alright? What I like to do is to rub the sides of the steak on a cutting board to get the seasoning on, and if it needs more, add some. Now, we can start grilling them, or if we do have time, we can transfer them to the fridge for 24 hours. The next day, we'll take the fillets out and let them get back to room temperature. You'll be surprised how incredibly tender the fillets will be. Again, it's only if we have time. Now the next step is this. We'll place a cast iron pan over medium-high heat and let it sit there until we feel the heat coming up. Just place your hand a couple inches above it. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4 at the most. Then we'll add oil, and as soon as it starts smoking and shimmering, this is when we'll place the steaks in. Now, this is very important. Do not disturb them. Let them sit for a good 2.5 to 3 minutes. This is how we get that gorgeous crust, also known as Maillard reaction. After a few minutes, we'll flip them over and see how nice it is. Now, if the steaks don't release from the pan, let them sit a little longer, okay? As you know me, I like to enhance flavors any chance I get, and this step does that. So we'll add some butter, and let's not be shy about it. Then a couple sprigs of either rosemary or thyme, your choice, and 2 large cloves of garlic. Come on, beef and garlic go so well together. We'll now tilt the pan and spoon the herb butter mixture over the meat for about a minute. This will bring your fillets to a new level of yumminess. Trust me on that. From here, we'll transfer the steaks to a 450-degree preheated oven and cook to the desired level of doneness. Go to the website to see the chart. When the fillets are done, we'll transfer them to a cutting board and let them rest 10 minutes before serving or slicing, so the juices have time to redistribute. Voila! We're done. And my friends, this is how to cook the perfect filet mignon. With these simple steps, you'll be able to achieve delicious results just like those from a steakhouse. I've had them at many places over the years, and believe me, this method works like a charm. So don't punish yourself by waiting until barbecue season and enjoy your steaks all year round. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!